How to upload MP4 videos to your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. So let's just go ahead and discuss this real quick, because if you are in a specific plan on Shopify, it's not actually going to work. I'm not sure whether it's going to be the basic one where it does not work. I'm not sure exactly which plan offers the ability to do so or not, but I'm going to show you regardless how to work your way around it and upload your videos to your Shopify. So let's just go ahead and get started and assume that you have the proper plan for Shopify to upload MP4 videos. In that case, it's going to be the easiest to do. All you need to do is just go ahead and log into your Shopify admin, and then from here you just want to go to the content section over here, right beneath the customers tab. So click on content, and then from here you just want to go to files. Files is pretty much all the place that you need to go to upload all the files that are going to be for your Shopify store, and then you can use them later on your homepage, whatever page that you actually want. So just go ahead and go to the files section, and then just click on upload files on the top right. From here, you just want to locate the MP4 video that you want and just double click on it, and it's going to upload here for you. Now, in my case, I don't have the proper plan, so for me, it's just going to say one file failed. If you do have the proper plan for it, it's going to upload for you and you can use it on your site. But let's now work our way around it if you also have file failed. In that case, you have two options to do. I mean, you can, work your way around it with these two options. The first one, Shopify does actually allow you to upload MOV videos. So in that case, what we can do is actually go to open up a new browser tab and just type in MP4 to MOV. There's plenty of converters out there that you can use. So in my case, I'm just going to open up the first one that I see, click on select file, and then I'm just going to convert this one to MOV and click on convert. And once this is done, we can just go ahead and download it and try to upload it to our Shopify. Great, so now that I have the video, which is the same video, exactly the same, it's just now MOV, we can just go back to the same place, content, files, and then just click on upload files. I left it in desktop, so let's just go ahead and upload this one. And it actually should work for me, and it's going to work for the basic plan. Again, this is not going to be working for me because this is just a test store for me. But for the basic plan, this actually should work for the MOV file. Now, another step, even for the test plans, if you are doing that as well, in that case, if you really run out of options, you may want to actually upload the video on YouTube and then just insert it as a link. For example, we want to add the video to our homepage on Shopify. In that case, and if we can't really use MP4 or MOV, in that case, we can just use YouTube. We can upload it to YouTube and have it on our Shopify store. So we would want to add a section, and then we would want to add a video section. And then from the video, we can just go ahead and select a video if we did upload the MP4 file or the MOV file. And if not, then we can just go ahead and embed it from the URL. So I'm just going to go ahead to YouTube and I'm just going to grab the URL. So we can just go ahead and use this video as an example. We can just go ahead and get shareable link. Go back here and just upload that right over here. Just replace it. And we should be good to go. So this is pretty much how to upload your MP4 files, how to work your way around them if you can't. And this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.